Look who's here.
I got it.
Yeah, he got it all right. He got it all right. Come say hi, Amaya. Say hi. Say hi, YouTube.
Hi.
Say hi, YouTube.
Nah, I don't have it.
I
just had a cold.
Yeah, just a cold.
Pneumonia, I think.
I'm sick.
It felt like death warmed over.
Yes.
Coughing.
He was pretty sick. Thank you for your prayers. I tell you. Yeah, say amen. That's right. You say amen. You blocking the whole.
Oh, I do.
There we go.
I do.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Well. Look over there.
Look, get out the camera.
She's a ham. She's a ham. But we wanted to just say hi. I'm putting this right before my weigh-in results, which will be just a second from here, but it'll be tomorrow for me.
Now I camera out.
Okay.
I know.
Can you sit back, please? Here, sit back here. Sit over here.
Going.
There we go. Sit back.
Look at daddy camera.
Oh, the girl. Anyway, I just wanted to show you that my baby is better. I'm trying to move it so that you can see him. Come here. Stop.
Look at Maya. Look at my camera.
Look at that.
That's
there
all
we
you.
go.
I know you're good.
All right. Tell them bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay. Well, we are officially at week 11. And just to share how my week has been, I have been going out. I have the Run Experience app, and it's a subscription to it. But and there's free stuff that you can use on it. But I'm following the beginner running program on there, and they have all kind of beginner stuff for runners, and that is going well. Today I'm actually taking off because I am tired. I need a rest day, and it's important to listen to your body to know when you need to rest and when you need to push. Today is a need to rest. You got to see Tony just a minute ago, and he is doing much better. I'd say he's about 97% back to his self. When he gets the get my goat back, then I'll know he's back to 100%. But he is doing much better. I ate pretty much one meal a day, intermittent fasting. I eat around 1 o'clock. There was a couple of days that I think I grabbed something a little bit earlier. Now, for me, with my coffee, I do have cream and I do put in my allulose. Does not affect my blood sugar. Actually, if it does, I haven't seen it yet. But I was checking before and after, and my blood sugar didn't go up. And I know the cream in there and the allulose may have raised it some, but I don't see it. So the cream and the allulose may have raised it up, but I'm not sure. I have drank black coffee, but the first coffee in the morning, I do have cream and my allulose. The second coffee, I'll have black. At night, same thing. A decaf, black, and occasionally with the cream and the allulose, but not much. So let's just get into it. Okay. Last week, I believe I weighed 213.8 pounds from week 10. And today I weigh 210.4. Yes. So it's a total weight loss of, I believe, 35.4 pounds. And if I didn't put it up here yet, I will. So I am, I don't know which way this shows, so my weight is coming down. It does the, like I said, the little zigzag thing. And the only thing different that I did this week and last week is nothing. I exercised, I ran, I walked, I did the little aerobic exercise. Hold on one moment. And I'm just doing the same thing. I'm just getting out. I'm watching what I eat. I eat pretty much once a day. And this is water with a noon tablet in it. The strawberry lemonade, I believe that's the flavor. And it's electrolyte sport. It's a noon sport. It does help me to get in my water. And I tell you, this container, I don't know what it is about this little perfect size, works well. I also drank LaCroix. Actually, I don't have any in here right now. The last one is in the refrigerator. Walmart carries the berry flavor, and they have been out. So I ordered it on walmart.com, and it's coming to me in the mail. So that way I know that I have it, which is great. I just like that flavor the best. They have black raspberry, orange. Those are the flavors that I had. I tried the bubbly, and I prefer I tried the grape bubbly. Maybe the other flavors taste better, but I did not care for the grape too much. But it was just something carbonated that I liked. And I'm going to try one of those drinks in a keto pancake mix. See if it'll give it more like lift. I have the sugar-free syrup. I haven't opened it yet. I believe it's Aunt Jemima sugar-free. I'm not sure. But if I do that recipe, I will definitely show it to you here. So I'm feeling good. I'm so close to Wonderland. I am 10.4 pounds away from Wonderland. And I'm pretty much on track to where I want to be. I want to lose about 15 pounds a month. And I've done that so far. I'm in, I guess, 3.5 pounds. I believe I lost a little bit more from the beginning. I have to do the math on the Renfo app. I think that's what it's called. Rem something. I like it. It's my scale that I have, and it just goes straight from the scale to the phone, and I don't have to do anything. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. And how is your weight journey going? Oh, that was the scale loss. The other thing, my clothes, they're feeling bigger. The undergarments, bigger. Everything is feeling loose, which is great. I have more energy. I get to about a mile of running, but not all running. It's run, walk, run, walk. I'd say the last time that I went out, I did about 60% running and 40% walking, which is better than about 15% running and 85% walking. So I'm getting up there, and the program it builds you up in intervals. So I like that. And what I can't do, I can't do. I just do my best and then move on to the next day. That's all you can do. So stay encouraged. Thank you guys for hanging in there with me. And if you haven't hit the subscribe button, please hit that subscribe button. It does help us, and it just makes me feel good when I see likes. And Tony too. Tony says hello. He's back watching X-Men right now. So he says hi. Michael says hi. And I hope you guys had a beautiful Easter. So I'll talk with you soon. God bless. Bye.